Hi folks, this year I just want to say Happy New Year. It's 2025 and it is just coming towards the end of January, and I just want to talk about, I'm in southern England, so I've got Hilliers, Stewart's, obviously B&Q, all the different garden centres, and I go around hunting like all Snowdrop people for the different ones. I couldn't resist this one because it had such a great marking, even though I've already got snow fox. But this year I notice, which wasn't around last year, we've got Mount Everest. So two different labels. These were bought in Bramebridge Garden Centre, £3.49, UK plant passport. I'll remove all that soil when I get a second. And then we've got Icarii, which is said to never be that and is generally said to be greenpaulineUK, but we shall see. I bought two anyway because they're super cheap. I think they were £3 as well. So Mount Everest is out there if anybody wants to get it. It seems that each year different companies will do a massive batch of a new and oncoming and very, very strong growing plant. So if I take that up here, it's got beautiful dark green, quite a pointed leaf actually, and this is greenpaulineUK. It's got the smaller flower. It's beautiful actually, this one, quite a lime coloured ovary there. Beautiful, 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 but probably needs division, but it's under a massive Bramley apple. But look, there you are, look, there's its stunning foliage, and if I put that one next to it, it's very young yet. Is it the same? Possibly, who knows. I have got a lot of that around, and I bought many years ago Icarii and labelled as such, but all the experts seem to say that it won't be that, it'll be greenpaulineUK. And there's another one there, which either way I'm always keen to see what we get flower wise. So look out for Mount Everest. I should be keen to see what that one looks like. Obviously all the normal ones are out there too. Here we go.